How to turn off notifications on Substack. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide that you can follow up if you want to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can open up the application or the website for that and log in into our Substack account if we're not logged in. Once we've done that, we can look out for our profile picture icon, usually in the top right corner, and go ahead and select it. And this opens up, and from the following section we can look out for the settings option and head over there and open it up. Now here, if you have not verified your email, first of all verify it, and there we go. Now from the settings, what we can do is we can basically look out for the option called notifications here and find different kind of notifications option. So go ahead and drop it down, for example engagement, and drop it down. And here you can select the option of turn off all if you want to turn the notifications for all. Otherwise, if you want to turn for specific only, you can select this box right beside it and turn on the notification. But usually you can head over manually to the section that you would like to turn it off from and uncheck this box right here, and the notifications will no longer appear for that following feature on your Substack. And you can just go over and control these notifications that way. You can toggle off anything that you do not want, and that's it. Usually this is how you should be able to do it. It is pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.